Yes, we got a snapper. Yes. Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video today. As you can see, we're back out on the water. I'm heading out on Harry's boat this morning for an early morning offshore adventure type thing. Got 2 rods with me. Our plan is to get out there and hit one of the reefs just outside the heads of Sydney, try and get snapper being the main target, but you know there's heaps and heaps of stuff that live on those reefs. So yeah, we're gonna get out there, throw some pilchards around, throw some soft plastics, honestly just have a good time because we haven't been catching too many fish recently, so whatever happens today is going to be made into a big video that you guys are watching now. So I'm Kenaz, let's get into it. Cold. It's got one of these little Baku jigs, I think they're called. Gonna chuck a bit of pilly on it. There we go, the goal for today, hopefully a snapper. We're getting one.
We'll get one.
I'm gonna put this bait out the back. Let that do its thing. We've also got liveys in the tank, we'll put one down in a minute. And I reckon we're on. Just got a big Squidgy's wriggler on. Harry's on another big plastic as well. Hopefully find a fish. Harry's on. First fish of the morning.
I think so.
What's it feeling like?
It's feeling tiny. Oh, there it is.
We're on the board.
On the board, Dad.
They're pretty cool fish, but I reckon we've got a couple more of them coming, you reckon?
Well, what do you got on that one?
Oh, probably Sergeant. I got a pilly on this one. It's feeling a bit Sergeant Bakery. Double. Yeah. Oh, arch nemesis. The arch nemesis, the dirty duo. We're getting the pliers for this guy. Harry's on a shell with Sergeant Baker. Good start. A grade start. Bit of weight. That looks like a good fish.
How does all warming up? Don't get the hopes up.
Don't get too excited.
Big Sergeant.
Big Sergeant on the way up. Oh, the biggest.
Monster Sergeant.
That's a big one. That's massive.
These things are pissing me off.
Get rid of it. He's actually got a big Sergeant, I reckon. Very heavy. Or like a banjo shark. Yeah. It's pretty heavy. Or it's like foul hooked something. Something new. Travella. That's hooked on the side. There we go. There we go. Beautiful little Travella. 35 centimeters. So he's coming home for a feed. That's a big goal for today. How good's that? Finally something that's not a bloody Sergeant Baker. I hope this is not a Sergeant. Please do not be a Sergeant. It is indeed the target species. Get the net. There we go. Yes, we got a snapper.
Done it.
Yes. There we go. The target species. Beautiful little pan-sized snapper. This guy's just under 40 centimeters, so he's legal. He's going to come home with us for a feed. He was a bit more off the bottom than I thought he was, so we're going to get those baits right back down there. But I'm chuffed. Beautiful little pan-sized snapper. Learning a lot doing this type of fishing, so we're going to get our baits right back down there. Let's get into it. Yeah. Pulling drag. Should be alright. I don't know what it is. Hope it's a snapper. Doesn't feel like it. Trevella maybe. Nah, it should be all good. Feels good. He's on the board again.
What, snapper?
Nah, it's a cool thing. What's it called? Grab the net. It's edible. Blue morwong. There we go. That's an awesome new species for me. Blue morwong. He's got awesome little fins there with that long dangly bit. But yeah, he just came off the bottom. I'm not too sure how good these guys are for eating, but we're definitely gonna give it a crack. Absolutely beautiful fish. The blue on the fins on top there are absolutely awesome. Beautiful fish. Let's go get back down there. Harry's got to hook up next. Let's go get him.
Nice.
That's sick. It's a bit of a weird little rig I've got going on here. Running sinker to one of those little Baku jig trailer skirts and just popping a bit of pilchard or yak or whatever we got on the bottom of that. Dropping it all the way to the bottom. Waiting for pretty much whatever bites. But we've had a good morning so far. Fingers crossed, keeps going. Alright, that is going to be me for the day. Harry's just left. What an awesome day out on the water. Went out there, hit that reef up, got that snapper, first kind of snapper, whilst we were targeting him properly. We got that moe as well, blue morwong. That was a super awesome fish, and also the trevella. But yeah, super cool to get out there and try a different type of fishing that we don't usually do too much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being patient with all the videos and how long they're taking to come out. But yeah, awesome day on the water. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Catch you next time. And he's called it. He knows how to catch them. If you guys want Sergeant Baker tours, guided tours, just message Harry on Instagram. He can get you on them.